friends, this is Priyanka Jain again with another video about the folder structure that is created after successfully creation of React application in Visual Studio Code. So we have last seen in our video that our uh, application is created successfully and it started in the browser on the port localhost colon 3000. So we know that after created application using create react app generator, we have our folders already created. So let's go with that folders that is created automatically. And first node modules, then public, then src, then comes the file dot get ignored, then comes package slash lock.json and the package.json. So let's see in our project that in node underscore modules we have all the required dependencies that are going to come in our project are installed over here. So if we want to install any other dependencies, we can here in terminal we can type npm and install the required package over here. Now we will see from the folders then public here the basic needs like our icon, our index.html and the logo are over here in public folder. Then comes the src folder. Here the app.js where we keep our code is here, and the CSS file, index.js file, we will go in details of the file as we progress in our videos. So we'll see it later on, but remember the components we will create, we are going to create in our src folder. So next is .getignore. So this is the standard file which is used by source control tool Git to identify which files and folders are need to be ignored while committing the code. Okay, so until and unless this file exists, the create react app command will not create a git repo in this folder. So it is done by default. So we will not go in detail of it until and unless required. If you want to learn more about it, you can go on this URL and read about this file. So moving ahead, we will see about package-log.json file. So this is logged file. Okay, this is log file created internally. So we are not going to change it on it anything and we are not going to modify it. Just remember this is also a file created while creating your React application. The next is package.json file. This is the most important file of your application. That means whatever packages are installed in your application, the entire list of packages are defined over here. From here only, your application is going to identify that the package needs to be used and which version of package is needed to be used. So the first is your application name, your version, just private and all the dependencies in scripts. So what is private? The private is a foolproof setting which avoids accidentally publishing of your React application as a public package in npm ecosystem. If you update it to false, then it will be published. It may happen that you don't want to publish your application, but sometimes it published automatically by clicking somewhere here or there. So you don't need to worry about that. Just keep it true. We will go in details of it later on when we will learn about publishing our application. So next, the dependencies will contain all required node modules and version required for the application. So by default, there are 3 dependencies defined. So and in our current application, we are going to use 16.9.0 version of the React application. And these scripts specify aliases that can be used to access some React command in a more efficient way. So, okay, and these are the lists that we don't need to worry about much. So, this is the basic structure created by the Create React app generator. So, thank you guys for watching the video. We will go about it and more detail, and we will also learn about creating components in our next video. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe my video for further updates. If you have any questions or suggestion, please do contact me on the given details.